What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jewel, and today, guys, in this video, I will be showing you guys how to get the Fortnite app back if it's not downloaded on your iPhone. Because if you don't know yet, they took it out the app store, y'all. So I have Fortnite right here, and I'm going to show you guys how to get it back. So the first thing you want to do is pretty much go to the app store, and if you search up Fortnite, you guys, Fortnite is not there anymore because Apple took it out and banned it from App Store. So what you want to do is when you go to your app store, you guys, you want to go to the little search thingy or anywhere on the screen, and you gotta click your little profile thingy at the top, and you want to click purchased, and you want to click my purchases, and then you want to like hit the search bar and type in Fortnite. It's only gonna work if you have had it on your phone. If you did not have it on there, it's not gonna work because that it's not recently there. Back. So again, what you're gonna do is click the profile picture, go to purchase, my purchases, and search and type in Fortnite, and you see it popped up for me. And now here is the Fortnite app. I hope I hope this video worked for you guys as much as it did for me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope I saved some of you guys for trying to get the Fortnite app. But I don't play Fortnite on mobile, but I just thought I'd shoot this video for you guys. So help me get to 700 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I'm out.